Good morning, children. Today we will be starting a new lesson 2 from your EVS book, which is Bones and Muscles. So, children, just try to touch your left hand with your right hand. The softer part which you can feel is the muscle, and the harder part which you can feel are the bones. So, bones and muscles, they lie under your skin. Underneath our skin are a lot of things that make up our body. Two of these are bones and muscles. So what does the bones do? Bones, they give shape to our body. They help us to stand up straight. The muscles are attached to the bones. They help us to walk and run. So, whatever activities which we do in our daily lives, like walking, running, jogging, swimming, cooking, writing, we all do these activities with the help of our bones and muscles. Now, I'll be telling you some facts about our bones. Together, the bones in our body are called the skeleton. So, all the bones taken together, it forms the skeletal system. A newborn baby has 300 bones, but an adult body has 206 bones. When a baby grows, some of the bones they fuse together, and when it becomes an adult, it has only 206 bones. We get bigger and taller when our bones grow. The longest bone in our body is called the femur, which is located in our thigh. Now, I'll be discussing the skeletal system. See the picture of this skeleton. It forms a framework of our body. So the bones in the body forms a framework called the skeletal system. So what does the skeletal system do? It gives shape and strength to our body. It also protects our brain, heart, lungs, and other delicate organs which are there inside our body. Bones are hard and are of different shape and sizes. For example, leg and hand bones, they are long. Chest bones, they are thin and rounded. Head, flat and rounded. And the fingers, they have short bones. Outside, the bones look hard and tough. But inside, the bone has a jelly-like material called bone marrow, which produces the blood cells in our body. Bones are living and can mend itself if it breaks. So, if ever there is a fracture, it will be mended. Now, we move on to the skull. The bones of the head make up the skull. The skull protects the brain and it contains holes for our eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. Our skull bone is made up of 22 different bones that are joined together. The upper part of the skull has 8 bones and our face is made up of 14 bones. So 14 plus 8, 22 bones are there in our skull. Only the lower jaw of our skull is movable. Now we move on to the backbone. It has 33 small bones called the vertebrae in the back that are joined together to form backbone. Backbone is also called spine or vertebral column. Each vertebrae has a hole in it. The delicate spinal cord passes through this hole. Therefore, the vertebral column protects our spinal cord. So, this was all about skull, skeletal system, backbone, and in the next video, I'll be discussing about joints and muscles. Thank you so much.